Welcome back to Orange Hat Reviews, everyone. Hope you're all having a good day. I haven't been keeping up on the Alec Baldwin situation as well as I could have. I have been busy. I am sorry for that. But now that I am having time to myself for a little bit, I can give you guys this small update. It seems that Alec Baldwin is not cooperating with police. A warrant has been issued for his phone in Santa Fe, and we all know he's fled Santa Fe, and he's not cooperating. He didn't hand his phone over. So now New York is jumping into the fray, and essentially they're saying, we're going to make this our #1 priority. We're going to get our hands on his phone, whether he likes it or not. If you're going to act like a criminal, they're going to treat you like a criminal, Alec. Now, for all of you who do not know, back in October of last year, Alec Baldwin was shooting a movie with a cinematographer by the name of Halyna Hutchins, and during a rehearsal, Alec Baldwin had pulled a trigger on a revolver that was a single-action revolver, meaning you had to pull the hammer back and then pull the trigger in order to get it to fire. Apparently, it had a live round in it and struck Halyna Hutchins, the cinematographer, killing her, and went through her and injured the director, Joel Souza. Now, a lot of stuff has happened since then. Investigations are still ongoing. And now this affidavit and this warrants are basically calling for him to turn over his phone because it is often that a person will talk about their actions during, before, or after the commission of a crime. So this warrant is specific. It goes to his texts, calls, social media, all of it. However, it does not specify what they are looking for. Well, I think we all know what they're looking for. They're looking for any incriminating evidence. Also, they're looking for the truth of what happened. As did Alec Baldwin say during a crazy little thing on Instagram where he's talking about how somebody wrote him a nice little letter on a sugar packet, which he mysteriously couldn't find afterward. Kind of calling bullshit on it. But he's saying, well, I want the truth. I want to know the truth of this. I want the truth to come out. Well, turn over your phone, dumbass. If the police in 2 different states are asking you to turn over your phone by a legal writ, then you might want to turn it over. But me, I'm very ignorant in much of the different ways of law, so I'm not going to go into anything other than speculation. Honestly, I think they should serve that warrant right in his face and say, turn it over now or you're under arrest for interfering with an investigation. Now, the hopes of this entire situation, the death of Halyna Hutchins, I do hope that there's some accountability. However, given recent crap that happened last week with our governor of New York getting off... Okay, thank you, buddy. Thank you. Now go play in the other room. My nephew. Love him to bits. So, yes. Governor of New York, Cuomo, got let off even though he was charged criminally. Unfortunately, when you're rich and powerful, you can get away with a lot of things. However, hopefully, I am praying to God that there is some accountability with the death of Halyna Hutchins and on the set of Rust. Because whether you are rich or not, you should not be above the law. You should not get away with anything. Especially if you broke the law. But yes, they're looking for his phone, and I hope that they get it, and I hope that something happens that sheds more light on the truth of this situation. If it involves Alec Baldwin getting arrested, so be it. I am neither this way or that in that particular instance. Anyway, folks, that's going to be the video. Y'all know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that jazz. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. What do you think of this? Do you think Alec Baldwin should turn over his phone? Or do you think him refusing to makes him look a little bit more criminal? Anyway, let me know all your thoughts. This has been Orange Hat Reviews. Stay humble.